The moment you all have been waiting for. Gentlemen, start your engine. Got it? So this is the first board we've made using the Chinese chainsaw and my homemade mill. So I'll talk about the mill here for a little bit. So this mill cost me, what was it, $1?
About that.
$1 in rope. We already had the winch. The winch came from the Harbor Freight pickup truck crane. I got the bed frame for free. I got the threaded rod for free. The spacers here came from the those chairs, folding chairs that you buy from Walmart. And as clamps for the bar, I just used 2 nuts for here, and then a nut at the bottom, and 2 more pieces of bed frame to clamp the bar. And we milled, this is the second side. So this is side number 2. We did this one first. The log was bigger than the mill. We had to trim off a lot of the log on one side. So we flipped it roughly 90 degrees, and here's the first board. First board we got. You gonna flip it over? Yeah. It's actually milling relatively smooth. It's not going too bad. There's a little spot right here. One there and a little one there, but the planer will take those out. So this is our first time making lumber with the homemade sawmill, or the homemade chainsaw mill. I have came to the conclusion I like the single posts. I may buy a single post mill. This one works pretty good. It is very heavy. It about doubles the weight of the saw. So the mill weighs the same amount as the saw, so it's double the weight, and that thing's pretty heavy. But I really like the winch. That winch is a lifesaver, isn't it? Do you imagine us pushing that?
Yeah, that'd be tough.
Pretty sweet. So what, in that one board? I don't know, how much would that one board cost us? $10?
Maybe. Maybe I wasn't going to leave up.
Yeah, but it's not dried or anything, and we still have to cut off the end and plane the side. So it's pretty good. I like, we're the first ones to see this. Look at the grain in that. That's so cool. This is pine. I think these were Colorado blue spruce. We had a blight come through or some disease, and it killed, I cut down 7 of them. Like so we have a ton of pine to mill.
Yeah.
So I think this is pretty cool. The 45 cc's, it does it.
It does it.
It's working.
Yeah.
It's working, but it's it seems to have a decent amount of power. So I know you guys have all been waiting to see this, and it's taken a while for me to build the mill and get it, the chain. I defiled the chain to 10 degrees, and I hate taking off so much metal on a chain because the chains are so expensive. So we're going to get back to milling here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.